Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to get a candle making kit. I've never done it before, so I wanted a beginner kit. So this is literally a full starter studio all in one box. So I'm going to give it a try and I'll give you guys a sneak peek at how it comes out. Putting it in these really pretty teacups that my mom got as a gift. So I wanted to display them and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. I'm also going to use the rose petals as a decorative. It's not for fragrance. So it says to just pour it in. Now the measurement I use, it has measurements inside the tin, and I had put 16 to 20 ounces in there, and this is how much wax melted it came to. And I think that's the perfect amount. So we're going to let that dry and we'll come back. Okay, so the candle wax has hardened. Now we just take the wick holder off, and the kit came with these cute little scissors. So we want to cut maybe about and snip that off. And it comes off nicely. So look at there. With the roses, I didn't like the roses on there. So when my mom got these teacups as a gift, I decided to make a stand. I just got a candlestick in a box and then just added some flowers. But I wanted to display the plant. This is how I plan to display it. What do you think? And I think my mom's going to like it. She hasn't seen it, but this candle making kit has been a delight. It is so much fun. I've got so many ideas to do with it. I love it.